Hey guys, if you want to see how I got this super duper easy and very sleek ponytail, then keep on watching. So I'm starting off with straightened hair. I washed and straightened it like a day before this, just so I can, do my little clip and everything like that. Do my hair, my trim, sorry. And I hadn't trimmed my hair since like April, the year before, April 2018. So yeah, it had been a minute. So now I'm just going to part my hair in the middle. You can do a side part if you want to, that's up to you. Now I'm just using this coconut pressing oil on my edges. I think I got this at the beauty supply store like years ago, and of course my mother used it all. Anyway, I'm just going to apply that around my edges, and then I'm going to take my hot comb and just smooth up my edges. If you do not want to do this, you can skip this step, but for me, if I'm going to be slick and sleek, I'm going to be slick and sleek, honey. I'm going to press the heck out of my edges. So I'm just going to pass that comb just on the edges, just to make sure it's nice and straight, so that when I brush it down, it's going to be nice and cute. Then I'm just going to lightly pass it in the middle, just to, flatten it a little bit, because I'm going to pull it back into a ponytail. So now I'm just adding some more of that pressing oil to the back of my hair, and again lightly passing that pressing comb through. Now I'm just going to take my brush and brush my hair back into a ponytail. I did not use any gel in this video, which I'm super happy about, but yeah, I didn't use any gel at all. As you can see, my hair is going back into that ponytail really nice and smooth. Now I'm just going to tie my hair into the ponytail. I'm just using a big hair tie. Now this is magic hair, okay? Just learn this trick. Instead of using gel, use hairspray. So I just used my hairspray and brushed it down with my hands and my brush, and that was it. That was it, sis. No edge control, no gel, just hairspray. But as you can see, that's all I'm using. Hairspray, the got to be free spray. That's all I'm using, and just brushing my hair back. And I must say, it has been a couple days since this, and I took my hair out of this style, and my hair is not stiff, it's not dry, anything like that. It's still really nice and soft. So this is definitely the new wave, okay? So now I'm just going to take that hair tie out, brush my hair back to make sure that it's nice and smooth, and then put it back into a ponytail. So now I'm using Anrusa here, and I'm using this piece, and I got this from Amazon, so you guys can go ahead and pick it up. And it's this kinky straight, and I think the inches is 20 inches. And look at this, guys, this is a whole game changer. Like, we don't need to be wrapping a whole bundle in our hair anymore. So you see there's like this little comb. All you have to do is just put your hair in a bun, okay, and then attach the comb and wrap it around, and that's it. Just watch. Just watch. I'm not even talking anymore. Just watch. Girl, yes. And I just have to secure that piece with a hairpin, and I said, look, Look, a minute. Took me like a minute to do this ponytail. Come on, man. Anyway, I'm just going to flat iron it out because as you can tell it is kinky and my hair is kind of straight right now, so just wanted it to blend a bit better. But again, you can skip this step. Like even if you didn't want to flat iron your hair and you wanted to go with it just stretched, sis, you can do that too. But you know, it's all about preference. So I'm just flat ironing my hair. And in between shots, I think I lost that clip, but I did add some more of that hairspray on my edges and tied it down for like a minute. And this is the results. I'm just throwing that out there. And this is the end result, guys. Super easy, super sleek and nice. Like I'm just in love with this. I love ponytails and this was the easiest ponytail ever. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Mwah! Bye-bye.